Penny Bun, lunchtime, sauteing some red onions we had left over. Next step, mushroom. Alright, started toasting the bread. Mushrooms are starting to brown. I'm going to go ahead and add a tablespoon of Penny Bun. No, sorry, teaspoon of Penny Bun. That's what a teaspoon looks like. I don't remember what we always say. Put a teaspoon and a tablespoon of something in your hands, you know what it looks like. So, if you're ever in an Airbnb somewhere, you don't have measuring device, you'll know what it looks like. Now we're going to hit it with some Worcestershire. Give it a little bit more moisture. And our leftover steak. This is the part that I left intentionally on the rare side so that when I made lunch today, it would cook a little bit more, but not overcooked. Alright, a couple minutes. Steak's coming along. Now we hit it with cheese. And trick I learned at Hooters, which is spot of water and cover. Alright, as you can see, mayonnaise and Dijon on both sides. The problem with really nice sourdough is sometimes you get holes, so that's the side I'm going to put my arugula on so it keeps things from falling through. Arugula is a good sandwich green for hot sandwiches because it doesn't mind a little heat. It won't give you trouble like a iceberg or something like that if it touches heat. And let's check on our meat. Oh yeah, we're coming along. I'm gonna wait till the cheese gets a little bit, get some crunches on the side, and then I'll switch it over here and show you the final product. All right, there's your steak sandwich with Penny Bun and some potato chips. Leftovers make good sandwiches. Don't forget. SpicerJamal.com.